that pretty much concludes this tutorial here. Now, we've made a very simple website here, and let's talk a little bit about why this website is very simple yet effective. Now, a lot of times when you're making websites, you want to get the most amount of information in the least amount of time. In this case, we are branding the dark coffee kind of idea or the brand, and we're giving in a little bit of information. Again, we could have the location, we could have, for example, the top coffee that they're selling, and then we could have, let's say, for example, deal of the month here. For a simple coffee chain, you don't really need much more than that. And this is beautifully themed. That you can see that we use all of the white, which contrasts the dark, and we never use 100% black. If you remember back into the CSS here, we actually just go with an off black. Now, off black against a white or even an off-white looks extremely good. And for a project, this shows you the basics of making a very simple and bold website. Now, I've actually gone and maximized my browser here. So this is what it would look like inside an actual web browser. All right. So as you can see here, this is a very simple website, and you can go and you can add in links to that here. In fact, that is your challenge. You need to add in a link to a location on Google Maps here. Here, you need to go ahead and add in a link to some kind of coffee. You can just make it off something on Amazon here. And then for this one, if you want to, you can go and add in a link to a deal site or something like that. So you see, you have a very simple website here. The last thing you can always do is take everything that we learned in this tutorial and make your own website of very similar lines. This includes the tutorial.